Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan si Curve DAO. Ayan po, sapagkat si Curve DAO po ngayon ay ang top gainer sa araw na ito. Ayan, nagkaroon po siya ng 27.89% na price increase nitong nakalipas lamang na 24 oras. Yan, kanyang current price ay 0.51. Yan, Curve DAO token or CRV. Ayan, siya po ang top gainer natin ngayon sa araw na ito. Sinundan naman ni Aptos, APT at saka si Axie Infinity, AXS. Ayan, umangat po pala si Axie Infinity. Yan ang 4.07%. Yan, yung top losers naman po natin ngayon. Yung top loser natin ngayon ay si Toncoin or si TON. Yan, 2.96% na sinundan naman po ni Unos Seed Leo. Ayan, at pangatlo po si XRP. Ayan, pangatlo po na top loser natin sa araw na ito si Ripple, sapagkat yan bumagsak po yung kanyang market price ng 0.4958. Ayan, dati po ay nasa 0.5 siya, pero bumagsak po siya, naging 0.49. Yan, bagsak po siya ng 2.49%. Pero ayan, sa video na ito, ang atin pong pag-uusapan ay ang top gainer na si Curve DAO. Ayan, 7.89% ang kanyang inakyat. Pero yan, bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, ito po ang official website ni Curve DAO. Ayan, pwede po tayong mag-swap dito. Ayan, isang decentralized exchange. Ayan, supported po niya ang napakaraming networks dito. Arbitrum, Aurora, Avalanche, Base, Silo, Ethereum, Phantom, Gnosis, Kava, Moonbeam, Optimism at saka Polygon. Yan, i-connect lamang natin yung ating wallet kung gagamitin natin ito. Ayan, meron po silang pools dito. Ayan, ito po yung kanilang pools. Yung mga rewards, APY, annualized na rewards. Ayan, ang lalaki po. 7.16% yung daily. Ayan, pinakamalaki po yung nandito. Ayan. At saka pool creation. Ayan, dito naman yung kanilang pool creation. Dashboard. Ayan, integrations. CRV USD. Ayan, ito yung kanilang mga, ayan, makikita po natin lahat dito sa kanilang website yung mga informations. Ayan, tungkol sa kanilang mga products, mga services, mga developments. Ayan, ang current market price ni Curve DAO ay nasa 0.5092. Ayan, naglalaro po siya dito. Ayan, yung latest announcement dito. Ayan, very important, not yet stable swap. Ayan, -NG which is audits but a quick update. Ayan, the proposal asks for 30 million CRV available only from the DAO. Very good objectives. Ayan, ito po yung mga recent project announcement nila. Pero ayan, ano nga ba ang Curve DAO? Para sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala kay Curve DAO. Yan, si Curve is a decentralized exchange for stable coins that uses an automated market maker, AMM, to manage liquidity. Yan, isa po siyang decentralized exchange para sa mga stable coins. Pero sa tingin ko ay, ayan, tingnan po natin. Ayan, yung mga availables. Ayan, USDT, DAI, Ethereum. Ayan, yan naman po yung mga available dito. Yan, ang dami na po. Ang dami pong mga available na mga tokens. At hindi lamang po mga stable coins. Kaya yan, launch in January 2020. Ayan, medyo matagal-tagal na po pala siya. 2020. Curve is now a synonymous with the decentralized finance, DeFi, phenomenon and has seen significant growth in the second half of 2020. In August, Curve launched a decentralized autonomous organization or DAO with CRV as its in-house token. Ayan, in-house token niya, parang masasabi natin na native token niya na rin. Yan, the DAO uses Ethereum-based creation tool Aragon and connect multiple smart contracts for users' deposited liquidity. Issues such as governance, however, differ from Aragon in their weighing and other respects. Yan, ito po yung maganda sa kanya dito kay Curve DAO, yung kanyang feature na pwede kang mag-connect ng multiple smart contracts dito. Yan. Who are the Curve DAO founders? The founder and CEO of Curve is Mikhail Egorov, a Russian scientist who has various experience with cryptocurrency-related enterprises. Ayan, Russian po ang gumawa po pala dito kay Curve DAO. In 2015, he co-founded and became the CTO of NuCypher, a cryptocurrency business building privacy-preserving infrastructure and protocols. Egorov is also the founder of decentralized bank and loans and network LoanCoin. Ayan. Curve regular team is part of the CRB allocation structure and will receive tokens according to a 2-year vesting schedule as a part of the initial launch. In August 2020, Egorov said that he overreacted by locking up a large amount of CRB tokens as a response to Yearn Finance voting power, awarding himself 71% of governance in the process. Ayan. Ayan po si Egorov. Isa po siyang Russian scientist. Ayan. At maliban po dyan ay siya na rin ang co-founder at naging CTO ng NuCypher. Yan. What makes Curve unique? Ano nga ba ang meron dito kay Curve? Curve has gained considerable attention by following its remit as an AMM specifically for stable coin trading. The launch of the DAO and CRV token brought in further profitability given CRV's use for governance, as it is rewarded to users based on liquidity, commitment, and length of ownership. The explosion in DeFi trading has ensured Curve's longevity, with AMMs turning over huge amount of liquidity and associated users' profit. As such, Curve caters to anyone involved in DeFi activities such as yield farming and liquidity mining, as well as those looking to maximize returns without risk by holding notionally non-volatile stable coins. The platform makes money by charging modest fee which is paid liquidity providers. Ayan po ang maganda rito kay Curve DAO. Kaya kung pagtitignan po natin dito po yung kanyang pools. Ayan, pwede po tayong kumita dito. Ayan, yan yung mga stable coins nila dito. Ayan, lagay lamang natin dito sa USD. Ayan. Ayan, masasabi naman natin yung mga reward natin, yung reward dito sa APY ay yan po. Ito po yung pinakamataas nila na reward. Ayan, USD. Ayan, LUSD, DAUSD. Ayan, yung mga nasa 7.16%. How many CRV coins are in circulation? Ayan, ito naman po yung kanilang supply. Makikita naman po natin dito. Ayan, yung yung CRV supply is 3.03 billion tokens. Ayan, majority of which 62% are distributed to liquidity providers. Ayan, 30% naman sa mga holders. Ayan, 3% sa employees, 5% to the community reserve. Yan po ang kanilang tokenomics. CRB had no pre-mine, and gradual unlocking of tokens means that around 750 million should be in circulation 1 year after launch. Ayan, how is the Curve network secured? Ayan, secured ba talaga si Curve network? Ayan, sabi dito, Curve carries the standard risk associated with depositing funds in smart contracts and dealing with AMMs, namely impermanent loss. Ayan, yan naman po talaga ang risk dito. Ayan, pagdating sa mga ganito, yung impermanent loss. As Curve only support stable coins, the risk of markets moving too quickly is reduced, but users can still lose money once market are rebalanced to reflect cross-market prices. Yan po talaga yung tinatawag nilang impermanent loss. Maski sa stable coin pa yan. Curve has been audited, but this does not do anything to counter the risk involved in being exposed to a specific cryptocurrency. Ayan, totoo po yan. Hindi po ibig sabihin na kung pag na-audit ang kung pag na-audit po si Curve ay ibig sabihin ay wala nang hindi na risk Kasi yung auditing na ito ay nakafocus lamang po sa security. Yan, sa security system. At wala po yan sa risk ng investment. Yan, kasi yung wala pong kinalaman ito sa yan sa market, sa volatility ng market. Ayan, or can you buy CRV? Ayan, available po ito kay Binance, OKX, Huobi Global. Ayan. Ayan po si Curve Dow. Ayan. Siya po ang top gainer natin ngayon. Kaya, ayan, na-feature po natin siya sa araw na ito. Dahil, ayan, 7.89% po ang kanyang inakyat. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.